The DuroMax XP15000HXT Plus is a powerhouse in the realm of portable generators, offering an impressive 15,000 watts of power and the versatility of tri-fuel capability. This generator stands out not only for its performance but also for its thoughtful engineering, making it an ideal choice for both home backup during outages and for powering tools at job sites. One of the most striking features of the DuroMax XP15000HXT Plus is its tri-fuel capability, allowing it to run on gasoline, propane, or natural gas. This flexibility is a game-changer, particularly in emergency situations where fuel availability can be unpredictable. Users can easily switch between fuel types depending on what is most accessible or cost-effective at the time. This adaptability not only enhances convenience but also ensures you are never left in the dark during a power outage. Powering up this generator is a breeze, thanks to its electric fuel injection (EFI) technology. Unlike traditional carbureted generators that can be finicky, especially when starting after prolonged periods of inactivity, the EFI system allows for reliable starts with the push of a button. This is a significant improvement, as it reduces maintenance needs and minimizes the hassle of manual choke adjustments or dealing with stale fuel. The DuroMax XP15000HXT Plus is equipped with a robust 718 cubic centimeters OHV engine, which delivers impressive performance and reliability. It can handle heavy loads with ease, making it perfect for running multiple appliances simultaneously. The generator boasts an impressive surge wattage of up to 15,000 watts and a running wattage of 12,000 watts, ensuring that even large devices like refrigerators, air conditioners, and power tools can be powered without a hitch. Portability is also a strong suit of this generator. Weighing in at around 200 pounds, it features heavy-duty wheels and a folding handle, making it relatively easy to maneuver. While it's not the lightest generator on the market, the design allows for a fair amount of mobility, suitable for various applications, whether at home or on a job site. It's important to note that while it can be transported without too much hassle, assistance may be required for loading. Noise levels are often a concern with portable generators, and the DuroMax XP15000HXT Plus performs admirably in this regard. With a decibel rating that is relatively low compared to other generators in its class, it allows for a quieter operation, making it suitable for residential areas. This is a thoughtful design touch, as loud generators can be disruptive, especially during nighttime use or in quiet neighborhoods. Safety is a top priority, and this generator is equipped with several safety features that make it a reliable choice. The low oil shutdown feature protects the engine from damage by automatically turning off the unit when oil levels are too low. Additionally, it includes a spark arrestor, which enhances safety during outdoor use, especially in dry conditions where fire hazards are a concern. The control panel of the DuroMax XP15000HXT Plus is user-friendly, featuring multiple outlets that cater to various devices, including 120V and 240V options. The inclusion of USB ports also adds to its versatility, making it easy to charge smaller devices. The digital voltmeter is a nice touch, providing real-time information about the generator's performance and ensuring you can monitor its output effectively. One minor drawback of the DuroMax XP15000HXT Plus is its size and weight. While the generator is designed for portability, some users may find it cumbersome to move without assistance, especially on uneven terrain. Additionally, the assembly process can be a bit time-consuming, as some parts may require more effort to put together than anticipated. However, these concerns are trivial compared to the generator's overall performance and capabilities. In conclusion, the DuroMax XP15000HXT Plus 15,000-watt portable tri-fuel EFI generator is a formidable choice for anyone in need of reliable power. Its tri-fuel capability, ease of use, powerful engine, and safety features make it a standout.